dropping thousands of hard-earned dollars on a pre-built gaming PC, only to watch it struggle, stutter, and turn into a loud, overheating space heater the second you crank up a brand new title to 4K resolution is an absolute nightmare for any serious gamer. When you are ready to stop compromising on graphics sliders and want a machine that effortlessly crushes ultra settings while looking like a futuristic masterpiece on your desk, the KOTIN G60B pre-built gaming PC is the absolute ultimate weapon. This powerhouse completely eliminates the anxiety of DIY building and system bottlenecks by packing absolute cutting-edge, next-generation hardware into a stunning, liquid-cooled tower that operates in near silence. Whether you are a competitive esports player chasing flawless frame rates, a content creator rendering massive video timelines, or a casual gamer who wants to be fully immersed in breathtaking, cinematic virtual worlds, this rig delivers smooth performance that will keep you locked into the zone for years to come. Click the link below to lock in the best price. Drop a comment letting me know what game you are most excited to play at max settings. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more elite gaming setup breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.